The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Well guys, I was unable to do a Tesla video yesterday, but I can go ahead and do it today due to traveling. Looks like Tesla had a huge move down due to that earnings report, adding increased volatility in the market. It looks like prices were just stuck between this 178 level and the EMA, and then it obviously collapsed lower, mainly probably due to the reason of trying to make a measure move down. So this was the first leg down. This was the second leg down. You can see the prices came very close to this measure move target before consolidating. Was this something that was predictable? Not in this situation. It was a little hard to say that it was going to move down because it could have easily just went up. You can see this was one leg up. We could have made a second leg up right here, but obviously the EMA was acting as resistance. Prices could not pass through it, so it's probably slightly more likely we're probably going to move down, and that's what occurred. So prices have now moved down twice off of this level right over here. I'm marking with a horizontal line. This 210 level is acting as a strong resistance. Prices reversed once off this level, and this is the second time it's reversing near that level. So since the market moves in twos, this could be the end of this move down, and we could see a reversal towards the upside. We'll have to wait and see, because I'm not really seeing any aggressive buyers come in the market right now to make a new high of this uptrend. So we had this uptrend previously in play. Usually the market will make two attempts at levels to try to reach it. So this is the first attempt to make a new high. Prices pull back, and that's what I'm saying. We could see the second attempt at making a new high because we already saw two attempts for the bears to drop, but we only saw one attempt for the bulls to go up. So if we get back above the EMA, that could be a very good sign that we're probably going to continue to move higher. But again, that's not happening right now, and we could just continue to roll over, fill in this gap, and retest this low at the 103 levels. So just have to wait and see right now, just see what type of reaction we get from the market. But as right now, we pretty much made two legs down. We could see another attempt to make a high of this uptrend, but if we don't, then this second leg down is still in formation, and it can continue to drop lower and lower. The market is looking kind of weak right now. We'll have to wait and see if it gets a bounce or not, but that might drag Tesla down with it too. So that's all I have for the daily. Here is the weekly. On the weekly chart, it's easier to be bearish than bullish because this downtrend is still in play. You can see if I connect the swings, that fits pretty good against the price action. I'm gonna drag it up. So this fits really good against the price action. You can see that we just had the triple test of this level right here. And you can see this is a key resistance level, just like the past. Just like in the past, prices hit the lower side of the channel, had a huge move up, pulled back, double topped, and prices sold off. Same thing is occurring right here. So we had a move from the lows of the channel up, a double top, and now we could probably see a move down. So if it happened again, if it happened before in the past, it can definitely happen again right now. So it is easier to be bearish on the weekly. And this entire green candle will probably be wiped out because there wasn't a lot of support built up, and looks pretty weak. So right now on the weekly, it's looking very bearish. But again, we still have a little chance for the bulls to see some type of bounce occur right here because it is two legs down. So we'll see if we get a bounce or not. If we continue lower, where are we going? The measure moves are already played out. You can see this was one large leg down right here. This was the second large leg down. Prices already bounced off that level. But we could probably retest it for support. So we can probably come back to that 110, 112 level and retest it for support if we are going to continue to see prices drop lower. So right now, it's just a waiting game. We got to see if this second leg is over and we're going to see a retracement up back above the EMA on the daily, or if we're going to start seeing continued selling, then most likely we're not going to get that move higher, and we're just going to continue to play down with the trend. Because it is a downtrend. So right now, it's looking pretty bearish. But again, like I said before, we could see that type of bounce occur that could send prices higher. But that's all I have for Tesla this week. More than likely, we'll probably just continue lower because that's with the prevailing trend. and you know the EMA is acting as overhead resistance once again. So that's all I have for Tesla this week, and I'll give you guys an update next week Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.